Hello everyone, welcome to Java Code Threads. Today we are going to discuss new problem. We have to find first repeating character in the string. So here is the string I have given and it contains the value as a Java Code Threads. So we need to find the first repeating character in the string. So first repeating character, as you can see, A is repeated twice. So it will, we want output as a A. So for that purpose, we are going to use a stream API, and for that collection purpose we are going to use a hash map, because in the hash map what we're going to use, we are using key and value pair. So key we treat as a each character, and the count is nothing but how many times that character is repeating. Okay, so let's get started with this solution. So firstly I'll convert the string into the lowercase, and then there is one method of a string chars, which is returning input stream in int stream. Int stream is a primitive type of stream. So as we know that all the collection object uses a wrapper class. So this is a primitive stream. So we need to convert it into the object or the wrapper class first. For that purpose, I'm going to use map to object function, and I'll convert this each character into the object. So I'll do the typecasting over here. After that, I'm using the terminal operation to collect that data into the hash map. To the hash map. So for that purpose, I'm using a collect as a terminal operation. And in that collect, I want the data into the key value pairs, correct? For that purpose, collector is the class. That collector class provides one method called as a grouping by. So in that grouping by, we are passing each character. We wanted each correct, and we want that particular count as a value. For again, that collector class provide us, uh, again there is a one class called counting. So what it will do, it will count each character and it will store into the values, correct? But I don't want hash map here, because the insertion order should be preserved in this case, correct? So we need to find the first repeating character. So whenever the first character comes, so here insertion order to be preserved. For that purpose, I'm going to use link hash map over here. So I'm providing the link hash map object. My collectors, I need to write again. Okay, semicolon. Okay, it assign it into the local variable. So you can see it's returning me a character as a key and long as a value, correct? So now what we gonna do, we need to find the first repeating character. Means how we can find. So if my value means long value is greater than 1, then I'll treat it as a duplicate character, correct? Or repeating character. For that purpose, so I'll use a, for iterating purpose, I'm using a entry set. The entry set is provided two important methods, get key and value, correct? For that purpose, this set is a collection. So I'll convert it into the string format, and we have to filter it out, correct? Because we need to find those value is greater than 1, correct? So this is the entry, this is the entry, what we say, entry object. So entry has two types of method, two important method we're going to use, get key and get value. But in this case we are required the value to get a key. If those value is greater than 1, we treat it as a, we treat as a repeating character. So now we get the value, correct? But we need this key is a character. For that purpose, we are using map as a function, and we are again passing that entry object to this map, and we are getting a key, correct? Key as a character. And then we have to find first of optional method, and we are getting that character over here. Let me assign to new local variable, so it returning me a character. So I'm printing over here by using sysout statement character. Okay, now we have done with our solution. Let me run first. Yeah, A is our first repeating character. Okay, instead of A, can we write T? Let's do it. Yeah, T is the my repeating character. Just remove T as well. Again, A is a repeating character. Okay, then remove again A. These are some permutation combination we are running. So there is no repeating character in the string, so it's printing as a blank. Okay, that's it from my end. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.